We're back!
We back. So welcome to a new episode of Dream on Kennels. It has been a while, but for a good reason. I'm getting ready to show you kind of what's been going on. A little bit of the behind the scenes of the move. What a time to pick the move, huh? Look at that snow. I was out here about an hour or so ago shoveling snow. And then my comrade out here shoveling snow. She actually, look at mom putting in work. That's why I married her, because she ain't ready to put in a little bit of work. You out here shoveling snow. Think you cool. Mission completed, huh? Oh yeah, that's when I helped the neighbor get unstuck. He ended up helping us out later on. Behind the scenes, getting ready. So, don't even look like Oklahoma. Our vehicles on the side of the street and put the U-Haul in the driveway, you know what I'm saying? Thought it was. We'll come back. Snow is still bad in the neighborhood. We're gonna see what this gonna do. What it's gonna do like for the do-like, know what I'm saying? Yeah, know what I'm saying? Man, and the U-Haul costs so much because of the distance. Yeah, hopefully this U-Haul don't be no trouble, you know what I'm saying? Behind the scenes, making a move.
A few minutes later.
Fresh on a new video, my voucher. Fresh on a new video. I was just talking about the other one. Oh, nothing happened with the U-Haul getting stuck. And now we stuck. See what this adventure takes us. Yeah. Man. Alright, so this clip really doesn't explain like what we actually went through with the U-Haul. So I'm pushing the U-Haul, you know what I'm saying, back to the hood and more, right? And the roads are terrible inside the neighborhood. So we get stuck in the U-Haul. So at this point, it's like, man, you know, we already had everything happen with taking 2-3 months to, you know, so everything get finalized. It's time to move. Then a blizzard comes and we questioning, man, are we gonna move during the blizzard? Or are we still gonna be able to close? Or the building's gonna be open for us to finish this process off and whatever? And so now the U-Haul gets stuck. And man, I think the U-Haul got stuck probably like a quarter of a mile from the house. It took us 2 hours from where we were stuck to get to the house. And I'm talking about we will be shoveling, getting snow and ice from up under the tires, doing everything for about 10, 15 minutes at a time just to go about this far. Literally, not playing. Then finally somebody comes to save the day, thank God. As a matter of fact, when I say it took us 2 hours to get home, that was after, you know what I'm saying, the Savior came. But we had already been working probably like 2 hours to go about 200 yards, 200 feet, you know what I'm saying? So we got seriously lucky with the person that came, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him and this 4x4. Just now getting to the crib. Man, finally got it here. Couldn't even put it in the driveway, too much ice and snow. Yeah. We got it in front of the crib.
Vlogging on day 2, I think, on packing, and this is what we got done. So when we were packing on day 3, we had like 8 to 9 boxes packed in my room, my old house room, I guess you could say. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes packed. Like I said. The room is looking at them. Yeah, that time I remember when it was like super duper like messy because taking everything apart and getting all the covers and the sheets off the bed and stuff. So yes, starting to look empty. Packed clothes, got everything packed. Closet's beginning to be empty. Got a couple more days until the closing day. Closet's starting to look empty. Beds are starting to look empty. Everything in that room is starting to be empty. Like I said earlier, it was looking very empty. Boxes and stuff, and now that's starting to be empty with different things. So we're just getting things done, unpacking. Beds are starting to look empty.
Boss, you gotta go somewhere.
Yeah, you've been real nosy.
You can't do it.
He's really cute. Boss is the cutest. And also, he was just being real nosy, poking and everything.
Drink, you can't have that either. You're trying to eat the paper. Drink. You cannot eat that. I already put mine in the box, so.
Oh yeah, me, Karis, and Kayla all have walkie-talkies. So while we were packing, we had the walkie-talkies, and we just started doing stuff with that while we were packing. But I already put mine away. Oh, in this one, I was putting away my shirts. I had a lot of them, so I had to figure out a different way to fold them because I was just laying them on top of each other, making them flat. I look super brown skin.
I think this is the last shirt. If it's not, I'm gonna be disappointed.
Yeah, it wasn't. I can see the shirts in my closet.
This one?
And the shirts in that chair.
That's on the bed. Out of my closet.
Whoa. Oh, whoa.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there's about at least 10 shirts in my closet.
Well, I think I can just put it in this bag, right?
No. Maybe I did.
Right, Jody? That should work. That should work. Because it will not fit.
Yeah, I had to redo all of that.
Hi, boss.
Oh, I was so ashy. I was so ashy. I stood up. Wow.
Press play. Hi, this is Kayla, your favorite, reacting to my video. So let's go.
Gonna break and having a little fun. Cause we need a little break. Everybody's coming.
I don't remember this.
We're having a little break. The U-Haul and stuff is packed and stuff. We can look out and see the tag of my dad's car. Then we have all the fish stuff and stuff. Everything's getting in here so that we can go. Grill, motorcycle. Yeah. So basically,
Final walkthrough, we have arrived. Maybe this is the last time we saw the house. It's a little different with the snow. all done. We ain't trying to get the keys.
What a very well behaved kid.
Thank you.
I mean, not a peep.
It's been a long day.
Maybe they're tired.
Oh, maybe that's it.
Or maybe
They're
they're
like,
running them.
adulting is no fun, is it? Here's the deed that will put you both in title. You'll have a copy of this today. We'll send the original out for filing.
Many, many minutes later.
About to try to get busy a little bit. Man. Finally here. It has finally happened. 2 hours behind because of what happened with the gas and everything, and not thinking the heat was gonna work, so that put closing behind by 2 hours. So we 2 hours behind, but we blessed. We are blessed. We are blessed. Now, more work. Time to get busy.
2 hours later.
And we got round 2 tomorrow. Bright and early, 6:30 a.m., 7 o'clock. And then go fill up again. And after we fill up, come drop off again. And it's a wrap. We all the way in. But get to spend our first night in a new place. How about that? Puppies, how y'all liking it, puppies? How you liking it, puppies? So we got couches and stuff in. And still got stuff to put up, but we in. Guess the others. What y'all looking like? I gotta put the beds together. Nah, that's Tuta's room, yeah. Gonna get her a new bed. Sissy's room. Gotta put her bed together tomorrow. Yeah, I'm glad y'all got these signs. I'll be getting y'all mixed up. Kendall. And then we already passed by Miss Kayla's room.
Wait, hold on.
Miss Kayla.
It's still mommy's car.
So, we're in. Behind the scenes. Dream on Kennels. Expanding. Blessed.
Tomorrow.
6:30 in the morning. About to go load up the U-Haul. Bring it back and unload it. Ready to do this, little mama?
Yeah.
Early in the morning. Ready to do this?
No.
Had to pop up. Man, we was off in there laughing, clowning late. 11, 12 o'clock. Man, my mind was wandering so much. I didn't get to sleep till almost 3 something. 6:30, pop up. Pitch dark. Ready to get it? It's time to get it. 6:30. Dream, you ready to go? It's time to go get another load in. Time to go get another load, boss man, and time to come on home. Behind the scenes. It's worth it though.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
We're here getting gas at the gas station. And then after we get gas, we're going to go return the U-Haul to the U-Haul place to drop off.
We're gonna go turn it or we're gonna go return it?
We're going to return
You said turn it.
it. Return it. I did not mean to. We're all getting gas. So is
Sorry,
Mama.
out of service. That's
We're
what
out
it
of
said.
service. Shit.
Damn, that one too.
Peace out.
That one is
Thanks for following along with us on our journey to this new house. We're really excited about it, very thankful and grateful to those who helped us throughout this process. And to Coach Dejour, who helped with the fish tank. That was for real.
Yeah, shout out to my guy, Coach Horton, AKA, we ain't gonna say it's AKA, but shout out to Coach Horton, Dejour, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate the love, man.
Yeah, so moving forward, we will be updating you all on YouTube more frequently. Interested in what we're doing on a daily basis, you can find us.
You know I'm turning on this. This is Instagram at Dream On Kennels.
Yep.
Did I say that right?
Yes,
yeah,
at
yeah,
Dream
you know what I'm
On
saying? Dream On
Kennels.
Kennels. Yeah, that.
So we look forward to it. Please tell us what you think about our move. We appreciate each and every one of you who's been on this journey with us. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. So until next time.
Wait, we forgot. This is Kayla usually does it. We're supposed to tell them like.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Dream on Kennels, and we will see you guys on our next video.